Mukbang tayo guys. Nagawa ako ng humba or adobo. And Biwi is here. An egg. Oh, I'm supposed to make a bulad. Sakit muna. Ito naghulat. Ayan o, humba. Mukbang. Bulad ba? Ay guys, kain tayo. Yan. With bulad. Nagluto kasi ako ng bulad. Yung humba ko lagyan ng saging. Harap. This year, I don't know what you want. Huh? What? Did you do something? I should do some. Look. Fish. Fish. Come here. Eat that one. Good girl. Sari itong bagahin ko. Leftover at saka may nagawa ako ng humba for 3 days. Kainin ko for 3 days. Yung batang to, kumain na siya. Gusto pa niya yung pagkain ko. Tapos ang argue pa naman, hindi yung pagkain na natin. With the egg. Good girl. You don't eat properly. Mama's time to eat. No more. Mama time to eat. The door is open. Hindi akong gutuman. Ang hindi ko magawa is naligo na ako sa kamay ganun. Tapos yung orange juice, yung asawa ko, tinatype niya masyado yung orange, hindi ko ma-open. Hirap pala isang kamay. Ayun. Yun lang. Hintay pa yun siya. Did mommy eat, baby? We have enough.